Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. 1. Restart LG TV with remote. Soft reset. 30-sec fix. Got your LG Magic Remote? Here's the fastest way. Press the power button once to turn the TV off. Wait 5 seconds, then press power again to turn it on. Your TV will refresh apps and clear minor glitches instantly. 2. Check for software updates, fix lag and bugs. LG TVs auto-update, but sometimes they miss one. Press Home, Settings, All Settings. Go to Support, Software Update, check for updates. If available, download and install. After install, turn TV off, wait 10 sec, turn on. No update? Try the hard reset below. Erases settings. 3. Hard reset via remote. Factory reset. Use only if needed. Warning. This resets all settings, apps, and logins. Press Home, Settings, All Settings. General, System, reset to initial settings. Confirm. TV will restart like new. 4. Restart LG TV without remote. Power button method. Lost your remote? Use the physical power button, usually under the LG logo or on the back. Quick power cycle, best for frozen screen. Press power button on TV, screen turns off. Unplug from wall. Press and hold power button for 15 seconds. Plug back in. TV boots fresh. Works on LG OLED, QNED, NanoCell, and webOS TVs. 2020-2025. Still not working? Try. Repair remote, hold back, plus home for 5 sec. Clear app cache, settings, general storage. Thanks for watching.